Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about a platform that is literally transforming, changing the life of millions, Shopify.com. This is a global commerce platform, guys, where you can build your business. You can sell online, offline, and everywhere in between. And the best thing is the fact that there are millions of entrepreneurs that are choosing Shopify to build their business, with millions of merchants worldwide with representation in 170 countries and a total US e-commerce of 10% and a global economic activity of $444 billion. And what that literally means is that we have an opportunity to actually analyze and find out what they're doing. Now, you have so many entrepreneurs, so many people that are actually on Shopify and building their businesses and actually selling on Shopify and doing it successfully. That means all we need to do is copy paste the strategy that they're using ourselves and actually start scaling our business. Now, guys, one of the things that I always mention to everyone that watches our videos is the fact that right now in today's time and period, we are living where everything is possible. That possibilities are truly endless. All we need to do is understand the strategy, the implementation, and the execution of that strategy. And that is the reason why we make videos for you guys, because we want to give you that information so you could also break away from the 9 to 5 and get that financial freedom that you've always been dreaming about. And obviously you can sit at home, you can relax and see the money come in. But how do you do that? That is what you need to learn. And that is what you need to do. So for example, if you want to do dropshipping, Shopify.com is the place. The beauty about it is the fact that you can create the store the way you want, and you can bring your vision to life with a simple drag and drop store creator. There's no coding expertise required, just your next big idea. And what that literally means is the fact that you don't need to hire a front-end developer, a back-end developer, anyone at all. You can use the tools that are available. Back in the day, if you go back 10, 20 years ago, this was quite difficult because you needed to hire a lot of individuals that would create a store for you, that would do the marketing for you, that would do the analytics for you, and that would put everything together. So it was going to be very expensive. But right now, in today's time and period, you don't need to do any of that. You can literally focus on developing things in a very simple and straightforward manner. And that is the reason why I always mention to individuals is to go to Shopify.com, because you have a selection from hundreds and thousands of different designs that you can easily use and craft the brand that you want. And obviously, once you have done that, you can level up with the apps and add more features and functionalities to your online stores with the apps that are built by trusted Shopify developers. You can sell to every buyer everywhere around the world with the marketing tools, with the social integrations and sales channels that you need to get your product in front of customers. Now, the good thing is the fact that they have one of the best converting checkouts on the planet. So you can back your business with ShopPay, the one-click checkout that's built to convert. And once you add it to the point of sale system that allows customer to shop their way from online to the checkout line, because it's a flexible point of sale that powers your retail store. And you can reach new leads and find new shoppers with the SEO, social media, content marketing tools that help you to reach customers where they are. Now, the good thing over here that you need to understand about Shopify is the fact that they have been in the business for a very long time. So they actually understand the elements that are required in order to create a successful online business. And that is the reasons why they help you engage with customers. So you can build custom email campaigns, you can set your automation to serve every segment, and you can connect with customers on the go with the integrated messaging tools. Now you can take control of your customer data to build custom audience and to explore the customer insights that drive ongoing growth. And the good thing is, once you've taken care of your front end of your office, you can take care of the back end of your office as well. And you can oversee your operations, so you can manage your inventories, you can track your payments, and you can actually view real-time business insights, everything in one place. So you can focus literally on building your business, and you can fulfill your orders by getting your products where they need to be with the integrated inventory management. Now, this is something that is not available with a lot of platforms, and I feel Shopify has done a very wonderful job when it's come to the back end of the actual shop that they have created, because they give you control over what needs to be be done and how you need to do it, because that is what literally creates a brand. And that is what people relate to. So if, for example, if someone's on Shopify, but they're doing it in a different manner and you're doing it in a different manner, that is where your competitive advantage comes in. So they've kept the competitive advantage element available for you. At the same time, they've given you control and the tools that you can use to create a competitive advantage over your competition. Now, once you've done all of that, you can also manage your money, where you make it, and obviously all the finances is in one place. So the full management center, the CRM, is available for you. So how do you start? It's quite simple, guys. Just click on start the free trial or click on login. Now I'm gonna go and show you how you can actually sign up to create a store. There's a couple of questions that you need to answer. For example, the first one is that which of these best describes you? Are you just starting off or already selling online, or as a person? I'm gonna go with the fact that I'm just starting off. Then click next, and then where would you like to sell? You can pick as many as you like, and you can always come and change them later. Is it an online store, an existing website or blog, social media, online marketplaces, in person? You're not sure. So we're gonna go with an online store and social media because we want to sell it in two places. After you do that, you need to mention what kind of social channels you want to use. So I'm going to go with Facebook and Instagram, and then hit next. Now, after I do that, they actually ask the question, what do you plan to sell first? Is it products that you've made yourself? Is it digital product? Is it drop shipping product? What is that you want to sell? We're going to go with the fact that I want to sell drop shipping products and I want to start drop shipping. After you've answered this question, this is one of the most important part that comes in, is the store name. Now, a lot of individuals, what they do is they don't spend time in actually doing their research and selecting a name that really reflects that store. Now, if you think about it, any big brand that exists in the world right now, they have a very catchy name. And the success of their store, the success of their story, the success of their business is based on that first step, which is the name. So you got to make sure that you spend some time in thinking about researching, checking your competition before you select the name. Now, if you need any support in selecting a name, if you want any clarification, or if you want to ask any question in relation to this, you can always drop me a message in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, and guide you in selecting the right name. And I can advise you if that name is good and if it has that kind of X factor to it to really make a difference. But for this video, we're just going to go with my name as a generic one. So for example, just my name over here. I'm going to put some numbers just to make sure that we can actually get this store. So let's hit next. After we do that, just select the location that you wanted. Now comes the last bit, guys. Now this is very interesting, and this is one of the reasons why I love Shopify, because it makes it quite simple. You can continue with your email to create a Shopify ID, with your Apple ID, with your Facebook ID, or with your Google ID. Now, I personally always want to use my Google ID, and the reason for this is because I feel that Google has made things very easy for us, and we can easily select the email that we want to get connected to, so we will always stay in the loop if there's a new order, if there's any new policy updates that are coming in. And once you select that, just sit back, relax for 10 to 10 seconds, and your store is going to be built. This is what your dashboard is going to look like, guys, once you sign in. On the left hand side, you're going to have your home, your orders, and obviously you got your draft, your abandoned checkouts, then you have your products from collection, inventory, transfer, gift cards, your customers, and you can import custom from different platforms. If you have multiple drop shipping stores available on different platforms, then you've got your content from your meta objects and your files, and my personal favorite, the analytics. Now, if you look at the level of expansion that they have from sales, sessions, returning customer rates, average order values, all of this is available, and this is the data that gives you that competitive advantage. You can understand from the reports and live view what is happening on your store, where the customers are coming from, what are they buying, where they're buying it from, so you can tailor your strategies and build your strategies around it. You can also do marketing over here that can give you a complete overview of what is happening with your store. You can create campaigns and start marketing. So you can clearly see the amount of tools that Shopify tends to give you to really give you that competitive advantage and a chance to make a business off Shopify. Now, guys, if you need any support, if you need any guidance, remember we are making tons of videos that are available from different strategies, different certain products, how to find those products, where to find those products, how to get those products, what kind of marketing strategy you need. We have everything available on our channel. So if you have anything that you want clarification for, you can first go to our channel, check those videos out. If you still need support, you can drop us a comment in the comment section below and we will get back to you. Now, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media so more people can find out about the power of Shopify and how you can use it to break away from the 9-to-5 and get the financial freedom that you've always been dreaming about. Now, stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.